Good evening, students. Welcome back. Welcome back to our BSc third year quantum mechanics class. In last lecture, we discussed about the expectation value and numerical problems related with the expectation values and some numerical problems related with the steady state equations. Okay, today we are going to discuss eigenfunction and eigenvalue. What is by eigenfunction and eigenvalue that we have to discuss? This is second last point from a second chapter. After this, second chapter will be complete. Okay, first of all, we have to understand what is by eigenfunction and eigenvalue. Actually, this concept is borrowed from matrix algebra. Actually, this concept is borrowed from matrix algebra, in which the theory of quantum mechanics was first formulated. An operator can have eigenfunction and corresponding eigenvalues. An operator have eigenfunction can have eigenfunction and corresponding eigenvalue. Let us suppose for an operator A to have an eigenfunction simply means that applying the operator to a some function f has the same effect as multiplying by some number k that is f is an eigenfunction of an operator a corresponding to the eigenvalue k. See equation 49 once again. An operator can have eigenfunction and corresponding its own eigenvalue. For operator A have eigenfunction simply means that applying the operator to a some function f. We are going to operate an operator A on a function with some function f has the same effect as multiplying by some constant number k to the some function f. That is f is an eigenfunction. F is an eigenfunction of an operator A corresponding to the eigenvalue k. Where k is constant called eigenvalue. It is easy to show that if operator A is a linear operator with an eigenfunction g, then any multiplier of g is also an eigenfunction of A. Okay. When a system is an eigenstate of observable A, that is when the wave function is an wave function of the operator A, then expectation value of A is the eigenvalue of the wave function. Expectation value is the eigenvalue of that wave function. How? If operator A is operate on a wave function psi of r, where psi is the wave function which varies with respect to r. When operator operates on that wave function psi of r, it gives some constant with a wave function psi of r. That constant is A. It means what? When one operator is going to operate on a wave function psi, it gives some constant with that wave function psi of r. Some constant is nothing but small a. Now, I want to find out the expectation value of that operator. Expectation value of A is equal to integration of psi star r a psi r dr. Psi star is nothing but the complex conjugate of wave function psi star r a psi r dr, which is equal to integration of psi star r a psi r dr. A is a constant. If you take outside the integration of psi star r psi r dr, a psi star r psi r dr, and it is a normalization condition. Therefore operator A is equal to small a. Assuming that the wave function is normalized, here we are assuming that wave function psi of r is a normalized. That's why the normalized condition psi star r psi r dr is equal to 1. Integration of psi star r psi r dr is equal to 1. If we substitute that normalization condition, or if we consider that wave function is normalized, therefore operator A is equal to small a. Operator A is equal to small a. The event that psi of r is not or cannot be normalized, if that wave function is not normalized, cannot be normalized, then we may use the formula operator A is equal to integration psi star r a psi r dr by d into integration psi star r psi r dr. Just simply multiplying with a normalization condition formula, that is integration psi star r a psi r dr into integration psi star r psi r dr. What if the wave function is a combination of eigenstates? What if the wave function is a combination of a eigenstate? Let us assume that we have a wave function which is a linear combination of two eigenstates of operator A with a eigenvalue a and b. Therefore psi is equal to c1 psi a, ca psi a plus cb psi b, where operator A psi a is equal to a small a psi a and operator A psi b is equal to b psi b. Then what is the expectation value of operator A? That we have to find out. Operator A is equal to integration of psi star a psi. We know the value of psi star, which is equal to ca psi a plus cb psi b star operator A, and psi is nothing but ca psi a plus cb psi b. If we simplified this, integration ca psi a plus cb psi b star into a ca psi a b cb psi b. If we multiply this, we get a into mod of ca square integration psi star a psi a plus b ca star cb integration psi star a psi b plus a cb star ca psi star b psi a plus b cb mod of cb square psi star b psi b. If we simplify this, we get a mod of ca square plus b mod of cb square. In this way, we can find out the expectation value of such wave function which having the combination of eigenstates. Okay, actually such kind of wave function is not in our syllabus. For just for your information, in this way we can solve or we can find out the expectation value of combination of eigenstates. Okay, once again, what is by eigen function and eigenvalue? and every operator can have eigenfunction and corresponding eigenvalue. Here, for example, for an operator A to have an eigenfunction simply means that applying the operator on a sum function f has the sum effect as a multiplying it by some number k. Thus, f is an eigenfunction of an operator A and k is the eigenvalue of corresponding operator A. This is simply simple concept of eigenfunction and eigenvalue. We have to find out some eigenfunctions and eigenvalues of. We have to some. We have to solve some numericals related with the eigenfunction and eigenvalues in next section. Okay. If you have any doubt related with the eigenfunction and eigenvalue, once you can once you understand the eigenfunction and eigenvalue, you can find out its expectation value also. Okay. For normalized wave function as well as not normalized wave function also. Okay. Thank you.